Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And this is our next video on a simple project, a very simple project on gold sales. So it's a kind of jewelry app thing, and we named it as Shimmers. And also, I have used Python as the front end and MySQL as the back end in this project. So this is how the front end looks like, and as we proceed on, I'll show about the backend too. So now we need to sign up or log in into this, right? So I have two buttons over here called shop now and login, in which both does the same function, like it logs in or signs up. So I'm clicking this and we enter the name, say Sam, and email as sam at gmail.com. I give my phone number randomly. I choose a location over here. For this location thing, I have to use something called combo box using Tikinter, and I choose Haryana and I sign in. So now it's successfully signed in. So we are now ready to shop. So I'm choosing gold button, and I'm adding the third one and fourth one. I've added this, but how could I find that I have added these, right? So I need to have something called cart over here, and I'm clicking it, and it just says the total amount. So it's like we have 4 lakh for 455 plus 5 lakh 98,000. So it gives like 9 lakh 98,000 for 55. And for registration confirmation, so I'm having something a QR code to pay. So that's the next thing we have here. So this is the project over here as a front end. And now we go for the back end. So I have saved everything in this as a like under gold database, and we'll see what all the tables are there in gold. So we have two tables here, right? The first one is an ideal table, like the customer gold is the table which says about every customer's detail who logged in. And the next one is the SAM, like it's a particular customer's thing. So when we select something from, like select star from customer gold, it gives the n number of customers who logged in already, logged in or signed up, whatever. So when we choose precisely, like when it's particularly Sam, so I'm selecting select star from Sam. So this gives an exact thing of like exact items purchased by the Sam. So this is a thing we have done, and this is so easy enough to implement. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe the same.